Welcome back to Zoria's Kitchen. Today we're diving into the world of flavors with our quick, mouth-watering 15-minute chicken kadhai recipe. Kadhai chicken is known for its quick preparation and intense flavors. The history of chicken kadhai is deeply rooted in South Asia culinary traditions, particularly in the region of Pakistan and northern India. This dish is named after the utensil it is traditionally cooked in, which is called the kadhai, showcases the art of combining aromatic spices, bone-in chicken pieces, and other key ingredients to create a savory and satisfying meal. The use of ingredients like ginger, garlic, tomato, and green chilies contribute to the distinct taste and profile of chicken kadhai. So let's get started. For this dish, you will need 1.5 kg of chicken with bone, 1 cup of yogurt, 2 tablespoons of tomato paste, half a cup of ginger garlic paste, 1 small ripe tomato, 1 cup of oil, 2 large green chilies, 1 to 2 cups of water. And to elevate our dish, we're going to be using 2 tablespoons of Shan chicken kadhai masala. We're going to garnish with ginger and cilantro. So the first thing you want to do is heat your pan with oil, add your chicken and your ginger garlic paste, and cook on medium to low for 2 to 3 minutes. Then add your 2 tablespoons of Shan chicken kadhai masala and mix thoroughly. Once that's combined, add your fresh tomato, your tomato paste, and cook on low for an additional 5 minutes. Once your chicken starts to change color, pour 1 to 1.5 cups of water and add your yogurt. Let that simmer for 7 to 8 minutes on medium-high heat, stirring occasionally to prevent the masala from sticking to the bottom of the pan. Add your sliced green chilies and cook for an additional 1 to 2 minutes. You can adjust the thickness of your kadhai according to your taste. If you like your kadhai to be a little bit more runny and have more gravy, you can just add a little bit more water. But if you like a more thicker consistency, then cook your kadhai down until you are happy with the consistency. You can garnish your dish with ginger juliennes and fresh cilantro and serve with homemade naan or basmati rice. And there you have it, delicious homemade chicken kadhai ready within 15 minutes. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Until next time, happy cooking. Thanks for watching.